Hi, boys and girls. Let's do some math. Yesterday, you started with your brand new workbooks. Eureka workbooks. They make you feel really smart, don't they? Because it's kind of easy. The hardest part, I bet, was stopping and only doing one page. Well, today we're going to do one more. So let's get ready. Yesterday, we talked about a shape. Let's see. It was a shape that had 3 straight sides, no curves, and it had 3 vertices, 3 corners. What is that called? A triangle. Hey, triangle. That starts with one of our letters this week. T-top T. Triangle. I hear the T sound. Letters and numbers, they can work together sometimes. Well, let's look at my board for a minute. And you can see that some of the shapes I've put here follow the rules. Let's see. 1 straight side, 2 straight sides, 3 straight sides. That's a triangle with 1, 2, 3 vertices. We got it. It could also be shaped a little different. But look, 1, 2, 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3 vertices. You got it. Triangle. Oops. Triangle. Triangle. These are not triangles. These shapes have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Are they curved or straight? They have 4 curved sides. All of these do. Some of them are shorter, some are longer, but they all have 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. They also have what? 4 vertices. They do. 4 corners. This is called a rectangle. You know, some children get a little mixed up with saying that. Triangle, rectangle. It's important to know the difference. And they know the difference. They just have trouble with the word. So today, let's try using it a lot, okay? Look around your house. Books are rectangles. Sometimes boxes have rectangular sides. Maybe your computer screen is a rectangle. Keep an eye out. Rectangles are everywhere. And guess what else? Our book is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. 4 vertices. 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. Okay. Yesterday, I asked you to open to this page and do your triangle work. Today, we're going to turn one more page. Now, parents, yesterday they did page 4, and today they're doing page 6. But they're just not numbered quite correctly. So make sure that you help your child find the page that we're working on. And we're only going to do page 6. Now, this is a very good time for you to practice putting your name at the top of your paper. And we've talked about this before. Math time is a really good time for pencils, but any time you write your name, is a good time for a pencil. So I'm going to get my pencil out. I'm going to think about how I form my name. And we haven't learned all the letters yet, but Ms. Rudd. You put your name at the top, please. Now, I will read you the directions, but if you need them to be read again, I'm sure there's an adult at your house that will help you. It says, find the rectangles and color them red. Then it says, put an X on shapes that are not rectangles. So I'm going to get out my red crayon. If it is a rectangle, I'm going to color it red. Let's look at this shape here. Wow, that's a big curve. Is that a rectangle? No. You know what that's called? A circle. Very good. Now, this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Is that a rectangle? It is. I don't want to do messy scribble coloring. I'm going to use my pinch and tuck, and I'm only moving my crayon a little to do my best work. Now, this is the part that confuses some children and some adults. Let's look at this shape. Already I think you're saying, it's a square, it's a square. And you're right, it is a square, but let's think about our rules. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. Squares are a kind of rectangle. If it has 4 straight sides and 4 vertices, we are going to color it. Squares have other rules that we'll learn about later, but right now I want you to color it if it has 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. Look at this one. This is interesting. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, but it also has some curves. It can't be a rectangle if it has curves. I want you to really think. Then when you're done, I'm not going to do it all. I'll let you figure out the rest and show me. Down here it says draw some rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry if it's a little bit not quite the way you want it. Just do your next one better. What do you think? I think you could make some nice, neat rectangles in there and do a good job. That's our page for today, boys and girls. Just the rectangle page. When you're finished with that, if you have a little extra time, and I think you might, go over to happy numbers. See what you can do with that. Because most of you are working on Module 1 in happy numbers. When you get through that, it'll be more about shapes and things, and you're going to already know so much. So, today's work in math, do your math notebook here with me. Look for some rectangles. Oh, and let's see, on Thursday morning, find something in your house that's a rectangle and bring it to morning meeting. Can't wait to see what you find. If you still have a little extra time, happy numbers is always there. All right? Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.